I'm Karen Calabrese, and I'm here for ehow.com. Today we're going to make dehydrated apples. We'll start with red apples and green apples, and we'll slice them very thinly on the mandolin. But I'm going to throw a little twist in today and make the dehydrated apples that we make at some of the Karen's restaurants here in the Midwest. So we call them apple crisp. But you could flavor them with just about anything that your heart desires. You could make cinnamon apples and lemon apples and just about anything. So let's get started on the apple crisp today. In addition to my thinly sliced apples, I like to add shredded carrot. This is making it more of a harvest feeling type crisp for it. I'm going to add a little agave nectar, not a lot, just a little bit of sweetener because your apples are already pretty sweet. We're going to add the paprika because we like them just a little bit spicy. We're going to add the black pepper, garlic powder, garlic salt, cayenne pepper, really nice heat to it, and a little onion powder and a little Cajun powder. That really gives it an extra special flavor. Now we'll mix this all together, and all of these flavors together will blend nicely, and then we're going to take them and lay them out on our dehydrator sheets. You see, we have these sheets that come with a lot of the dehydrators, and they really don't even have to be laid out flat. You can just kind of pile them on there. Just going to spread those all over. And then we'll pop it into the dehydrator probably at about 115, anywhere between 110 to 115. This keeps it still a living product, so the enzymes are alive. We pop it in the dehydrator for about, 18 hours. So here we have our dehydrated apples, a great treat for your children, for your lunch bags, a great treat for your guests, a little appetizer actually. You can put them all over the house, and they will last. These will stay good for at least 2 to 3 weeks, if not longer.